This tutorial will show you how to do a thesaurus search on the major education databases. A crucial part of a successful literature search is choosing the right keywords and search terms. You need to think about all possible synonyms and alternative terms for your search topic, as well as regional variations such as British and American terminology. If you don't, you may miss important research in your subject area. Using the thesaurus built into a subject database makes this much easier. It should help you to find all the relevant literature on your topic, and not just the material that contains your keywords. We'll start from Solo, the Library Computer's home page and a gateway to all of Oxford's e-resources. First, click on the link for Oxford Single Sign-On, and then sign in using your webmail or WebLearn login. This makes sure that you have access to all of Oxford's e-resources online, whether or not you are on a university machine. Now click on the link for Oxlit Plus, the Oxford Library's information platform. This will allow you to search for or browse for the databases most relevant to education. We're going to search the British Education Index, which is the main database for UK material in education. Type British Education Index in the search box and click Go. Now click on the hyperlink for British Education Index. You will see three major education databases listed. They are all on the same search platform, and so they can all be searched in the same way. Searching them individually allows you to use the thesaurus built into each database to construct your search. Surprisingly, Advanced Search is easier to use than the Easy Search, so click on the Advanced Search link to the left of British Education Index. You now have a single search box, and you need to break your search topic into single concepts. For example, if you are researching the topic of bullying in secondary schools, you need to search for the two concepts, bullying and secondary school, separately. Type bullying into the search box. Now make sure that the box above, marked Thesaurus Mapping, is ticked. This means that the database will take your search term and link it to the relevant thesaurus or descriptor terms used in the database. Click Search. You will now see a list of thesaurus terms used by the database. Some are synonyms or related terms for bullying, and others are different topics that people have researched in conjunction with bullying. The top left drop-down menu shows that the database will combine your search terms with OR. This means it will find any material about any of those topics. We now need to tick all the terms that are related to bullying. For example, bullying, perhaps also peer relationship, or aggression. Even though you see secondary education on the list, you don't want to tick it. This would do a search for bullying or aggression or secondary education, so it would find material on secondary education that had nothing to do with bullying. When you have ticked the terms that are all related to bullying, click Search. You will see that the database has done two searches. The top line is a search for bullying as a keyword and has found 431 results. The second line is a search for bullying, peer relationship or aggression as thesaurus terms or descriptors. This has found over 1,000 results. If you wanted to look at these results, you would click on Show Titles. You can see that using the thesaurus has made your search broader and more comprehensive, and should help you to find material related to bullying, but using different language. The next step would be to repeat these same search steps, this time searching for secondary schools, and then to combine your search results together. This is covered in the online tutorial linked from the Education Library webpage.